Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to BK Sports. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. I'd say games like these are games that Kaizer Chiefs should take advantage of, because if Kaizer Chiefs would play like this with the other small teams and try by all means to beat them home and away, that could add to the points that they get to accumulate in every season, but take nothing away from the performance that they pulled today. And we know with playing against Orbit College, it was deemed that the Kaizer Chiefs would win this game by more goals as they scored. And the good thing is that there are players that impressed me, and I was happy for Umduduzi Shabalala scoring a goal against the Orbit College. I'd say good he's a player that scored the most goals against a newly promoted team, because he scored 3 goals against the Orbit College. The first leg he scored a brace, second leg he scored a single goal, and it could have been a brace because after that chance he missed, I was so wishing that he could score a goal so that he could remove that away from himself, because he would play under pressure after that. But I'd say give credit to players like Wandulu Duba. What he did there, it was selfless from a striker, because as a striker your instinct as when you receive a ball, it doesn't matter what it was directed to you, but malifike nje ngasenyaweni you have to shoot. But he was alert of his surroundings and he thought, it doesn't, I've already scored, let me give Umdudu Shabala to redeem himself, and he calmly slotted it in the back of the net. But that's not the reflection of the game. In the first half, Kaizer Chiefs, after 20 minutes, that's where they started to play football, because I'd say they were feeling pressure from their fans. How come you are being led by Orbit College? Because remember, going to this game, everyone was backing Kaizer Chiefs. And the manner that we scored, the manner that we considered that goal, it wasn't good, because Uvuma could have done better there. But from a free kick. That free kick wasn't supposed to be a free kick. Umsimango, he could have done better there. At first it was cleared by Omonia and he failed. Second time it was cleared by Umsimango, he also failed. That's why he ended up committing that foul. But for the fair good thing, it ended up in the back of the net and they were ball watching. And when they bugwayo, it still shows there are still cracks at the back. But one thing I liked about the team is that they switched on and then they tried by all means to back themselves, to make sure they get themselves back in the game. Because if you can recall, in the first half, Kaizer Chiefs, their first shot on target came in the 38th minute. It was a free kick. Nakona Ungobo was trying to lob that ball in the box, but it ended up going straight to the goalkeeper, Uchibo. And the second shot on target, it was a goal from Wandilutu. A beautiful assist by Ungamla, Bradley Cross. I believe he had a good game. If it was up to me, Ngabe the man of the match in again, because I'm recoveries, jewels won, dribbles, you can count them, but his performance was top notch, top class performance. But I don't know what criteria do they look at when they choose a man of the matches. Because for Lewang Maboy winning man of the matches 3 games in a row, it simply means he's doing something that they like, the ones that are picking on a man of the matches. But as long as it is a Kaizer Chiefs play, but deservedly, Bekmele Bradley Cross. I'd say in the first 10 minutes, Orbit College was trying to press Kaizer Chiefs, waiting for them to commit mistakes and make sure they press them in such a way even if they try to recover, they are not that fast enough to recover that well. Because Umahlango had the chance, he hit the crossbar, he hit the post, and there was also another chance, but they didn't score. So the plan was to try to make sure that whenever we transition, we catch Kaizer Chiefs off guard, whereby we know in terms of pace they won't match us. That's why we saw a look at from Msimango and we saw another look at for Aaron McCarthy to show what they had a plan to frustrate these two central defenders, and then everything will become easier for us. But after that moment, after Kaizer Chiefs conceded, they brought the game to the Orbit College, because how Kaizer Chiefs played, I'd say it was good from them, because they were able to exchange passes in such a way that they were progressive and we were going forward, and we would try by all means to figure as soon as possible in the 18 box, but it couldn't happen with this that goal up until that clever moment from Upwelly cross. But I'd say structural wise, we were organized at the back, even in the middle of the park, going forward, because you could see Ulilepo at some point he would play centrally and Ashifte I wide. Same thing with Tutuba will play centrally, Ashifte Abe wide, so that they create that confusion between defenders of the Orbit College, because they didn't know who is who, but they managed with okay, let's try and catch them with a surprise. But I'd say the coaches understood the game this time, because even their subs were spot on. Because if you look at the ratings of all the players that played, you could tell everyone that played very well, but Umnqobo had the least rating in the Kaizer Chiefs team. That's why he was subbed off, and then they introduced Undlovu. Undlovu tried to calm things down and make sure he controls the tempo of the game, because the game was too fast. And then he ended up scoring. They introduced Ulilepo, not Ulilepo, Usilva. Usilva assisted the goal that Undlovu scored. And it came from in a combination of subs. Also, they put on Uvelepai. Uvelepai would make sure he adds that energy going forward to keep on piling that pressure in the defense of Marumokala, the Orbit College, because he saw okay, so itingba fag, and then they subbed Ushabalala, Bafaga, Uchislet, and also they subbed Modi, Bafaga, Uvilagasi. So I'd say they were able to read the game, because in some games their subs are more coaches and no Bakashela, but in this game I'd say they saw okay, we are playing against a team that now they are finding it difficult with bus attack, because they were relying on long balls, but Aaron McCarthy, Bradley Cross were there to deal with that. So it was difficult for them. So now it was up to Kaizer Chiefs to make sure with their ball retention, their ball progression, it was good. So that every time when we attack, we have to pose a threat. But with playing against a team like Orbit College, why am I keep on saying that? Why do I keep on saying with the Marumo Gallant? No man, are you correct? But I'd say the Kaizer Chiefs understood okay, when we attack, let's attack with purpose. Because even our fullbacks, I'd say who had that room to keep on going forward, even giving that cutback from that run that he made, it was Umunyane, because he had that freedom. But to cross a kick game, most of the time Bamjel doesn't when jump his center, but there were times I jump a corner and he made sure good. Even when he recovers very well, because also there was Upulo Modi there that would try to assist him when to mark, and that would take the pressure off him, because Agnam Montozo ends overload. That's why people are always complaining why is Modi always played, but he doesn't offer Kaizer Chiefs anything going forward. That's the role that he has been given. When play as a wing fullback, keep on assisting across with defend. Whoever that you're going to play with in that day, make sure he doesn't suffer. But I'd say mistakes like the ones that was made by Bruce Former, they are not supposed to be made, especially in the crucial stage of the league now, the second round. But what I liked about the team is that mental sharpness. They were very strong in such a way. They didn't crack when they conceded, but they backed themselves up and made sure they will keep on attacking up until we get things right. First game we played, I think, versus Durban City, we won 1-0 first game. Game number 2, 2 goals scored. Improvement. Game number 3, 3 goals scored. It simply means with 1 point, 2 point, 3 points in the bag. That's the positive about this game. There are still minor errors that needs to be fixed, but I'd say it was a good game. When I say with the Giants, they didn't come to the party, because when they lead and they are able to protect their lead, it becomes easier for everyone to enjoy their football, because even the subs, they get introduced, they join the party. So number 3 manje, hopeful ukuthi AmaZulu angeka win against iSikhukhune United, but it is a good position to be at. We'll try by all means now ukuthi sisebenze on ukuthi sihlale lapha ku number 3, because I think and I believe ukuthi it is doable ukuthi siphume number 3.